Okay, welcome. So we have this big problem of understanding when we can perform the quotient operation. And we've kind of reduced it to figuring out when elements get split up when we are trying to do the quotient operation. Essentially, when we're trying to collapse the cosets, do arrows send things in the same cosets to different cosets? So let's look at the situation maybe just for H, our basic coset, like our identity coset. So H has some elements, and we can consider what they do under an arbitrary element of our group. Let's say G. So G is going to send an element like H1 to H1G, and it's going to send H2 to H2G, and so on. So something that I want you to observe is that we're working with left cosets. We want to know if they're split up in left cosets, but we can actually group them in terms of a right coset. These are all elements of the same right coset of H, HG. Now, this might start to turn the wheels in your mind, noticing that we are caring a little bit about right cosets in this context. But what we really need, again, is for them to be in the left coset for this operation to work. So under what conditions are these elements going to end up in the same place, not get split up? Well, it turns out that they're going to not get split up in the exact condition where the right coset that we've already grouped together all of the things that are results of our kind of group action are the same as the left coset, the things that we don't want to split up. So that's the idea here. That's the fundamental idea behind why we need the left cosets and the right cosets to equal each other in order to carry that collapsing or that quotient operation through. And this is kind of the intuitive idea about why normality is the condition that we need to conduct a quotient. Okay, so I hope that this helps a little bit. And remember, this is a really complicated step in your intellectual journey, but you'll get there. Just keep thinking about it, working on it, and working on some examples.